Cunucu plantations on the island are known for growing vegetables that are typical to the cuisine of Aruba. However, due to the ongoing drought Aruba is experiencing, it has become a challenge for farmers to keep up with the regular produce they usually grow. Dragon fruits are now the new craze. Cunucu of Jimmy is usually known for growing typical vegetables necessary for local Aruban cuisine, such as okra, cucumbers, yambo, etc. For more than 20 years in James Ramos' daily work, he has to cultivate plants to survive in our climate. Due to the drought, the types of fruits and vegetables he grows usually has changed. His focus is now on dragon fruits. At this plantation, 9 different types of dragon fruits are planted. The fruit is in high demand because of its nutritional value. The demand is there, according to James, because the chefs in the hotels specifically like to work with dragon fruit as an ingredient. People are getting to know the fruit more. Dragon fruits are filled with vitamins and they are good for your digestive as well immune system.